Nick.com. Today we continue learning about webhooks. It got a lot clearer actually. Webhook is really like a URL that you can send HTTP to, or other data. You can send it to, like, you can post HTTP post request to the webhook receives that. So the webhook's all about receiving data. Okay. The person that provides, if you provide the webhook, you are the provider. If you receive, no, if you provide, there's provider and consumer, and it's about receiving, right? The provider or the consumer is receiving, the provider is sending or providing, but I don't know if the provider is providing the webhook or the information to the webhook. Probably the webhook, right? But consumer would be the person that uses the webhook. That's unclear, the relationship between the provider and the consumer, but webhook, you send information to, it receives information, essentially. You can use it for a lot of things, updating status of things between different applications instantly, instant messages and notifications. It is similar to APIs, but without, it's like kind of like an API endpoint, but it's more private, it's more malleable and changeable. You can change it pretty quickly and easily, versus the API is more longer lasting. Like the programmers are gonna have to take longer to, or typically will take longer to change the API than it's easily. You can change webhooks easily. We just started to get into developing our own webhook scenario. Test webhook gives you a URL which you can send information to, essentially. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. More webhook stuff. It's a very powerful tool for connecting different applications, and it's very similar to APIs and API endpoints, but more customizable. That's it for today. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.